First, let's look at how to charge the forklift using one of the EcoTech chargers. Robert will demonstrate. First, turn the charger off or stop it using the manual stop. After you press the little stop sign, you will see manually stopped come up on the HMI. Next, open up your forklift. This is a great opportunity to inspect the battery on your forklift for any kind of wear, damage, or spillage. If the battery is in good condition, continue. Disconnect, and then reconnect to the charger. Make sure white always goes to white and red to red. Do not connect the charger to the forklift itself. Make sure you're connecting to the cable that leads directly to the battery. The charger should automatically switch over, start to read, and give you a display. You'll also hear it turn on, and the little up arrow will light up. This means that you are now charging. Once you want to stop charging, once again go forward and hit the stop button. Make sure that the green light is flashing and that you say manually stopped. Disconnect. Reconnect the forklift to the battery. And gently let the charger cable go. Do not slam the charger cable down, as that will damage the connector head. Return the forklift to operational, and now it's ready to go. Thanks, Robert. Now let's look at how to charge your forklift using the GECI charger. First, confirm that your lift is off. Good. Make sure the charger is off. So your button should be down to stop. Once you've confirmed that, unplug the battery from the forklift. Now plug the battery into the charger. Make sure you always go red to red and white to white. Never plug the charger into the forklift. Always plug the charger into the battery. Once the connection is secure, turn the charger on. It should light up. You should see that the battery is connected. The system will think for a moment. And then the charge will start. You'll hear it kick on and see a green light start flashing. Once you've finished charging, first, make sure you turn the charger off. Once you've confirmed the charger is off, disconnect the battery from the charger and reconnect the battery to the forklift. And then you're good to go. Thanks, Mark. If you plug in or unplug the forklift from the charger while it's on, it will create something called arcing. This is an electrical discharge that occurs between the two nodes of the forklift where the two metal pieces touch. This arcing can cause damage to the nodes, which can cause a lot of different problems. Let's take a closer look. These damaged nodes were pulled off of one of our forklifts earlier this year. You see these spots and burn marks where there's been obvious damage to the metal? This is the result of that arcing we talked about, when a forklift was disconnected or connected with the charger on. This damage prevents a good connection between the forklift battery and the charger, and that creates a lot of different problems. The most common one is overheating. If cables are overheating on either the forklift or the charger side, it's probably the result of an improper connection caused by this type of damage. This poor connection, in addition to the arcing, can also cause damage to the battery of the forklift, making it die faster and be harder to charge. This makes the forklift less efficient and your job harder. If this gets really bad, it could start a fire, either due to the heat generated by the electrical cables or from the electrical discharge impacting the cables, the nodes, the battery, or the charger itself. And in the worst case, can cause an electrical explosion within the battery. If this damage does occur, and the forklift or the charger become unsafe for our employees to use, our only option is to lock and tag it out and take it out of service. In order to fix the problem, the entire charging head will have to be cut off and a new one installed. It can take a long time for this to happen, and it's expensive. While we're waiting, we're down a charger and we're down a lift. So please, take care of our equipment, take care of our forklifts, take care of our chargers. Turn the charger off before you plug in or unplug your forklift so that we can keep our equipment working longer and safer for everyone.